Hello guys, today 23rd July 2024 and I'm giving you the Bitcoin chart. So let's analyze. You can see here, this is the 1 hour time frame and I have labeled it like this wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we check the 1 hour, 1 day time frame first. So in 1 day, we can see here that it's the uptrend, and this is the wave one, two, three, and fourth. Fourth is complex correction is might be over here around 53K, ABC, X, ABC, and a new impulse is begun from 53K. So this may the first wave of the fifth wave. Here fourth is completed and a new impulse fifth wave is begun. So let's see inside this wave. Yes, this is the view. Now you can see here wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 impulse has been completed around 68, 500. And now it's time to correction of these 5 waves. So you can see this is the A, B, and C kind of first A weekly leg is started. So it might up to the uh, second wave of the fifth wave, prior fifth wave. So see here, this is the level. It's around 63,400. So I'm expecting this rally comes to close around 63,400. It's not necessary to complete here. It may around here, anywhere else. But we have a methodology to counting the waves. So we can see here small a, b, and c is turning. And so inside the C wave, there is a 5 waves. So this is the wave 1, 2, and this is the third wave personality. So inside the third wave, it's like a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then our first A wave will complete near 63,500. And you can see here, this is 4 and 5. Yeah, this is the part of third wave. Inside the third wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here our third wave will complete, then fourth and fifth. And then we may see a retracement of this rally. Is the B wave and then again C wave. So when the C wave will complete, we have to alert either in a complete near 62,800 or 61 or 59. Why I have put this line? Because it's a correction of these 5 impulse around 38 is around 52,700, 50 is around 60,900 and 61 percentage is around 59,100. So we have to hold this level around top of the first wave. Price should not go below this level to be a bullish view. Price should not cross below the 58,500. So till if we close price stay above the 58,500, 58,500, then our bullish scenario is intact. So I'm expecting the market will go like this. First, time correction is kind of like this, and then new rally will start. So I am expecting around 1 to 2 months correction will end. So any longer investment, if you have any long investment or you type of swing trader, then you have to be alert near the 60, between 62 to 59, in this area, and make a plan for the long. So this is my view for BTC. Hope you understand what I'm trying to show you, and keep your methodology and risk reward, and more important is execution. So what is the here roadmap? Our SL is below the 58,500. If you enter between 62 to 60,000, your SL should be below the 58,500. So this is the level for long 58,500. Any uh, price close below the 58,500, then you should not be on long side. Just wait what happened. Hope you guys enjoy the my Elliott wave counting. Stay tuned. We'll be back with some. Thank you.